Hola, friends. Please join us as we explore dissociation. That's the term we use in tango to indicate when the hips will be facing in one direction while the torso faces in another direction, typically to bring our center light to shine on our partner. It is also the way that we naturally move when we walk and run. Now, if we're just ambling along, moving, we can be looking at our cell phone and not dissociating. But try this. When you're running, it's almost impossible not to dissociate. That is, to bring the opposite shoulder arm to the leg. It's the way that we keep balance and also generate energy in our body.
It can be helpful to think about when you're working on your dissociation, to think about rows of a Rubik's Cube. Just like we can individually manipulate the different rows of a Rubik's Cube, we can think of that same concept with our body. So the head being the top row, our rib cage, shoulders, arms being one of the top rows, the second one down, the third one down is kind of our hips, legs, feet being the fourth one. I'm going to manipulate with my dissociation just that second one down. We want to keep our first row and third and fourth nice and still, continuing to go in the direction that we're traveling. And we just rotate using the rib cage as the power source for that dissociation, keeping our arms and hands nice and quiet, but communicating that rotation and staying well connected with our partner.
I like that imagery of the Rubik's Cube. Another one I like to use is of a lighthouse. It fits that center light image where the lighthouse can shine horizontally. We don't tip or tilt or bend. We have a tall lighthouse shining on our partner.
Mm-hmm. A great way to practice your dissociation throughout your day, because this can be somewhat of a unique idea when we're focusing on just this. Like Arjun said, it is natural, but when we want to just focus on this for the purpose of dance, we can utilize when we are putting something on a counter, preferably with a little bit of weight to it, right? So it is representative of needing to move the entire unit. So much like you see in this clip here,
it was great. I wish you could have come with us.
Oh, me too, me too. Ooh, you got some good music playing. We utilize carrying a grocery bag, and instead of walking just straight up to the counter and putting it down, I can practice and bring tango into my everyday life by taking my bag of groceries and actually using my dissociation to set it on the countertop.
I like that.
Thanks.
And after we've worked through, twisted everything up, then we can organize ourselves to click on the next button and head to the next exploration. Until then,
Abrazos.